Narendra Modi has been denied permission once again, this time to do a puja at the Ghats in Varanasi. This is the second occasion during which there has been a denial of permission to Narendra Modi. His rally for tomorrow, that is something that hasn't got permission yet, although we believe, in fact, let's get in more details from Navika Kumar, who's on the phone line. Yes, Navika.
According to latest information that we are getting from our sources in Varanasi, Modi unlikely to be given permission for Ganga Aarti also tomorrow. What we are being told is, while no written order has been given, the permission that was sought by the BJP has not been given, and orally the BJP has been informed that there will be no permission that will be granted to Narendra Modi to hold the Ganga Aarti on the banks of River Ganga in Varanasi. So that's the second denial that is coming into Narendra Modi after permission has been denied for holding a rally in Benia Bagh grounds in Varanasi. Now Ganga Aarti permission also not being given to Modi. That is the latest that we are getting. We still are waiting written orders from the DM in Varanasi on the final call on this. But clearly BJP leaders who have been trying to get this permission have been verbally told that they will not be given permission for holding a Ganga Aarti on the banks of the Ganga in Varanasi tomorrow. That is something that the BJP has had sought permission for. So ultimately it will be only one rural rally that Narendra Modi will hold in Varanasi. Probably the BJP saying it's an unprecedented move where the candidate of a place has been denied permission. Right. Holding a rally.
Navika, now just minutes ago, we learned that the additional district magistrate had written to the Modi, has written to the BJP citing security reasons why his rally, the permission to his rally has been denied. Is that what they're also citing for denying him permission to do the puja at the Ghats? And also, how is the BJP going to react to this?
Well, what we are awaiting is a formal word from the BJP which has been trying to get the permission from the DM, still awaiting the final nod, the written order from the DM. But what we are being told verbally, they have been told that there will be no permission for Ganga Aarti. What we are also being told, the reason that has been cited is again law and order and security reasons. The Ghat area is an extremely crowded area, and if Modi goes there, there will be hordes of people joining him over there, and the Ghat is not equipped to take on the load of such a big rally that could take place if Modi was to go to the Ganga Ghat, which is why no permission is being given. The district authorities are in a situation where they feel that there could be a law and order situation that could be created, and therefore no permission for Ganga Aarti to be held at the Ghats in Varanasi for Narendra Modi. That is the latest that we are getting from the district authorities in Varanasi.
Given that Modi has not really spoken to the electorate in Varanasi, do you see this permission being denied as a spanner in the works? In fact, word coming in from the BJP now.
Well, it is very clear. Whichever way you look at it, it is going to become a huge political controversy, and